Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are fine and healthy. Today we will read our EVS book lesson 7, Our Needs. Take out page number 58. Children, in my last videos you have already learned about the importance of air, water and cloth. Now in this part we will read and understand the importance of food. Children, tell me, why do we need food? We need food for energy to do work and to grow. Let's start our reading. Food. Every day we perform various activities. Our body needs energy to be able to perform all these activities. Energy comes from the food we eat. Food helps us to grow, to become strong and healthy, to remain fit and active. It's a fact. Replacing fast food such as pizza, burger with fresh fruits will reduce the risk of obesity. Now what is in this topic? That we use our body for a number of activities and movements. We work and play, so our body needs energy and strength. We get energy and strength from the food we eat. Food is very essential for all living beings. It helps us to build our bones and muscles. Now, main meals. We eat 3 main meals in a day. Breakfast. This is the first meal of the day. We should eat our breakfast between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. in the morning. Lunch. We should eat our lunch between 12 noon and 2 p.m. Dinner. We should eat our dinner between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. in the evening. Along with these main meals, we may also have a light evening snacks or meals of a fruit or milk. Now, children, do you know how many meals we must eat? Okay, we must eat 3 main meals in a day. You know, each meal has a different name. What are they? First is breakfast. Breakfast, when we take breakfast in the morning. The next one is lunch. When we take lunch in the afternoon, and at night we take dinner. We need to eat different kinds of food: fish, eggs, milk, pulses and vegetables. The above food items give us proteins. Our body needs proteins for growth. Okay, children, we need proteins for growth. From where we get proteins? We get proteins from fish, eggs, milk, pulses and vegetables. Chapati, rice, butter, sugar, bread. The above food items gives us energy to study, play and work. So, what are energy giving food? Chapati, rice, butter, sugar, bread, they all are energy giving food. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins and minerals which help us to stay healthy and fit. Fruits and vegetables, what they provide us? They provide vitamins and minerals which help us to stay healthy and fit. They make our body healthy and fit. We should always eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Also, we should drink 7 to 8 glasses of water every day, and we should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Now let us see what are the good eating habits. We should chew food well. We should take small bites and eat our food slowly. We should never waste food. Unhealthy food items such as burger, chips and aerated drinks comes under the category of junk food. We should try to avoid or eat less of junk food. We should not talk or watch television while eating. We should not eat too many sweets and chocolates, as too many of them are bad for our teeth. Now, what are the good habits? That we should always chew our food nicely and slowly. We should take small bites. We should never waste our food. And we should not eat junk foods like burger, chips and pizza, cold drinks. All these are called junk food. And we should not talk or watch television while eating. And we should not eat too many sweets and chocolates because they are bad for our teeth. Now this is the end of this lesson. Hope you understood the lesson. Do reading practice regularly. Goodbye.